welcome back to my channel. Hello and welcome. If you're new and you're joining me for the first time, I'd appreciate it so much if you'd hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you get updated every single time that I upload a video, which is once a week. I am going to be trying to keep doing my videos once a week for you guys, but obviously I work in care. I'm a full-time care assistant in a care home, and in these times at the moment it's all hands on deck. So I'm going to be doing YouTube for as long as I can and as long as I physically can. So let's hope that that's going to be for a while. And I've already started this video off with my base already on. I am collabing in this video with some lovely ladies again to bring you some fun and some positive vibes. So the girls I'm going to be collaborating with in this video are Bree from Pink, Purple, Red, Candice from Candice Hampton, Rachel from Ray Young, Aforma from Aforma.o, and Shelley from Shelley Shellacca. I will put all their video links down below so you can go and check out their channel and give them some love as well, because that's what we need in this moment of crisis. We need love and positivity, so that's what you're going to find here on my channel. Let's grow together and be part of a community, and this is what I want. I want my channel to be a part of a community, and I just want positive vibes on this channel, guys. So we've come together to do a collaboration, and we're going to be putting the rest of my makeup on with toothbrushes. Yeah, toothbrushes. These are just cheap 25p toothbrushes from my local Tesco's. We won't talk about Tesco's, but I managed to pick up some toothpaste. I managed to pick up some toothbrushes. So I'm about to apply some makeup with toothbrushes on my face. This is a first for me. I've never done anything like that before in my life. I've already put my base on because there's no way I'm applying foundation with a toothbrush, because that would take all day. So I've already done that. I've put powder on, and yeah, we're just going to jump straight into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is probably try and do my brows with a toothbrush. So I'm going to be using my EYN palette from Beauty Bay. This is just the Brights palette, and I'm going to be using this palette in today's tutorial, if you can call it a tutorial, because it's probably going to look like a hell of a mess, but it's a bit of fun. So I'm going to get out one of my toothbrushes. So just going to use this green one for my brows. And what colour shall I choose for the brows? I think to play it safe at first, I'm going to be using this Preppy Pecan, which is like a brown colour, and I'm just going to try and pop that into the brows. Oh my god, this feels so weird. What? Who would have thought it that I could have actually achieved a good brow by using a toothbrush? So that is the brows done. I'm not getting too close because you'll see that it doesn't look perfect, but it looks alright. Do I play it safe, or do I play with a bit of colour? I'm going to play with a bit of colour. So I think I'm going to attempt to do a sunset. So I'm going to go into Hot Stuff, which is this bright red, and again I'm going to use a toothbrush. So I'm going to pick this white toothbrush up, and I'm going to go into Hot Stuff, which is that bright red, and I'm literally going in. Okay, wish me luck. Ooh, that's bright. See if we can wing it out a little bit. Wow. Not really a lot I can say. So I'm going into the next pack, and I'm going to go into Hello Sunshine, which is that bright yellow, and I'm just going to pick some of that up on my toothbrush, and I'm going to blend the top of this out to make it look a bit more sunset. want to put like a bit of a shimmer on the lid. So I'm going to go in with this Rise and Shine, which is another yellow. And I'm going to try and attempt to put that just on the lid. So that's mascara on, and this is what the eyes are looking like. So let's put some bronzer on, shall we? And you guessed it, we're going to be using a toothbrush. So the bronzer I'm going to use is my Kiko. I absolutely love the Kiko. This is the Ocean Feel bronzer in Warm Honey, and it's one of my favourite bronzers. Just look at that. I mean, don't look at the mirror, but look at that. That is just stunning. These normally come in a dome, so I've used quite a lot of this. And I'm just going to use my toothbrush. And apply my bronzer. Using this blush from MUA, this is the blush, and it's in Rouge Punch, and it's beautiful. I love the little flower in the middle. So again, using toothbrush, I'm going to put my blush on. Okay, so I'm going to use my Collection Ready Prime. So I'm going to use the Collection Prime and Ready Dew Me spray because I want this to last all day, of course. Then I'm going to use the Estate highlight, and this is Dew Me, with my little toothbrush. And I'm just gonna give myself a little bit of a highlight. I'm going to try and apply some liquid lipstick. This is the Belle Paris Cosmetics Kiss Proof Lip Cream in the shade, I haven't got a clue, Brown Shell. And you guessed it, I'm going to be putting it on with a toothbrush. So I'm going to dip my toothbrush, coat my toothbrush in the lipstick, and so this is the look that I've come up with using my toothbrushes to apply my makeup. I had so much fun doing this video, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Whatever you are doing, please be safe, and I'm going to be sending out lots of light and love to you guys. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and I will see you in the next video, guys. I love you lots, and stay safe.